Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. Thank you for joining our ISC West show. I'm Desmond from Business Department LTS. So we are the manufacturer and wholesale distributor of security cameras, access control, intercom, and we also carry like all the accessories you need for the security cameras installation, like cables, hard drive, or any accessories. So today we're going to talk about majorly 3 new things we have. The first one will be the 24/7 all-color series camera systems that you can take a look at this wall, and we have some prototype cameras. So the first one is pretty cool. You can take a look at this one. That's gonna have, you can put in this, that actually have 2 lenses in 1 camera, so which can give you 8 megapixel panoramic view of the, so it's pretty much like a combined 2 channels into 1 channels. And you can take a look at the live view here. So pretty much we use the software to combine the 2 channels, so it's only use 1 cable and 1 channel, then you can get a 180-degree view, okay? And the second one you can see here, that's the pan and tilt cameras, which also all-color image. And this one, it also comes with a microphone and a speaker, so you can easily just move the cameras that you want. You can move the cameras, and also remember it's color 24/7 technology. So during the nighttime, you can have the LED turn on, and it's gonna give you color image. And if you have a local light source, it's also gonna give you the color 24/7 image. Okay. And we also have some other like varifocal bullet and varifocal dome cameras that are embedded with color 24/7 technology also. Before it's a fixed lens, but right now we have it in varifocal lens. And if you take a look at the big screen here, that's showing you the 8 megapixel all-color tower style, and it's showing on the right-hand side, on the right top. That's the new 8 megapixel all-color cameras. And this one is very cool because this one has microphone and the speaker built-in, and there will be alerts sending if there's something that cross by, and you can trigger the alerts to speak out, say like watch out, or like you'll be monitoring, something like that. And this one has a better imager sensor right now, so it's pretty much the best image we can have for the fixed lens camera for right now. And if you take a look at this PTZ here, this is a very cool one. We have on the top, we have a wide angle lens, fixed lens on top, and then underneath there is a PTZ. So the top wide angle lens will trigger the PTZ to move. So if there's something trigger on the wide angle, then we can use the PTZ to keep tracking things. And if you take a look at this wall, then we are talking about our Plenum MD 2.0 series. So this series is like AI embedded with the motion detection and also the VCA triggering, like line crossing and intrusion detection. So the regular motion detection, pretty much you can capture everything with motion, like rainfall, snowfall, grass move, or tree moves. And with the MD 2.0, we can easily just to filter those playback with the human and vehicle detections. And also, if you take a look at the live view here, on the left end, we can see there's gonna be a line crossing with human keeping popping out. That means we have 1 camera just triggering the human detections, and with a line crossing, so that will pop out as the event. And can give you something like the monitoring center. So you are watching multiple cameras together, but this one can show you if some cameras has been triggered. Okay, so let's take a look at this wall. Oh, careful. Yeah. So on this wall, we have our NDAA compliant ProVS line. So as you may know, some of the federal government project, we have to use the NDAA compliant products. And we have our ProVS line that can compatible with the NDAA product line. And everything showing here today, they are also all embedded with the AI detection. So both motion detection, line crossing, intrusion will also have the AI trigger, so can filter by the human and the vehicles. And you can see in the middle one, on the right hand, we have all the human that triggering the intrusion and line crossing detections. Okay, and if you take a look at this one, and that mini bullet. So those two will also have the alert triggering. So if there's something triggering the event, then we can use those two cameras to send out the speaker said, hey, you'll be monitoring, hey, watch out, things like that. So that's gonna be pretty much for our company's products today. Thank you so much for the YouTube channel, Pipl Security Systems, and thank you, Pipl Systems. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to Pipl Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.